and today I'm going to be showing you my alasti plasti, what I got for Christmas. Sorry, it is a bit dark, but it is daytime. Okay, so 1 minute. So guys, I'm back. So I was just taking the sellotape off the alasti plasti. I am going to be viewing. I don't know if I said that, I forgot. So let's go. I got it for Crimbo, so fun. And it's like snot. Okay, so I don't know if this is pokeable or not. So whoa, it's super stretchy. 1 minute, guys. I'm back, guys. I just told my sister she liked it or not. So this is a mega stretchy. Like, I love this slime. It's ooh. I love this slime. It is so cool. Okay, so we're gonna do the crunch test. Purple. Yeah, hers is purple. I got green, which my favorite color is sort of green. I've got 5 favorite colors. First purple, second pink, the third blue. The fourth, no, I mean turquoise blue. The fourth is green, RV, and the fifth is drum roll. Just do it. The fifth is red, because I like United, so I got it off my hand. So guys. Hey guys! Guys, I burped. She burped. Yeah. And I farted. That's just wrong. That's just wrong. So guys, like, it's so stretchy. It's so stretchy. I love it. Like, it's my favorite slime from Christmas. Lots of people play with slime. Even Brandon at school does. Brandon, if you're watching this, just say. So, shout out to people in my school who actually watch me. Brandon Anderson, Miley Boomer, and Shalom Fore, and I think Ruben or Reese does, because they know about it, and I don't like them, like, I don't like boys knowing about it, because it's kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of weird. I don't want anybody in my school to know about this channel, because it's kind of like, I don't know, embarrassing. Don't know. I'm going to be doing my makeup tutorials today, so stay tuned for that. So, yeah, this slime is so good. I give this a 10 out of 10. Really? Oh, and do not buy them. Actually, yeah. No matter. Like and subscribe to this video. Well, to this channel. Because I've been on this for ages and nobody subscribed. So, please subscribe to me. You guys are really nice, so just subscribe and comment down below what you think about this slime. Oh, and go and watch Karina Garcita. She's like dead good at slime making. That's where I got my slime. Where's the camera? But from... So I'm holding it up on this iPad stand right now. Comment down below if you still got your Christmas decorations up. I have, so I'll comment myself. I'm in my pajamas, by the way, because I'm going to do another makeup, another modern routine, 2019, but it's not 2019 yet, so I'm not doing it. Like, okay. I'm going to be doing my morning routine, and then actually no, I'm going to be doing my morning routine, but not doing my makeup, because I do my makeup when, well, I don't do it normally, but I do it sometimes when at weekend. It's basically is weekend, but like for me it's weekend because we have 2 weeks off school. So yeah, guys, this is my slime review on this. It's a 10 out of 10. It's ace. I literally love this slime. It's so cool. I wanted this, and then it seems like my mum was like, no, you're not having that. I was like, okay. So on Christmas it was a big shock for me to have this. I'm so happy that I got it. Okay guys, I'm going to go now. Love you guys. Please subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. Bye guys.